Hello guys, I am Daddy the Guitarist, and in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play Sansa Papier, song number 1, Madilu system. The first song in the Sansa Papier. Okay? So that's first song. This song is what I'm talking about. So hello once again guys. So this is now up close and personal. So now Sansa Papier song number 1, Madilu system. That is what we are doing today. Okay, so this song is based on a first rhythm and a second rhythm only. A first rhythm and a second rhythm only. We are going to use the key of E. Alright, so I'm going to teach you the first rhythm and I'm going to teach you also the second part of it, which is the second rhythm. So the key is the key of E. And then if you remember the shapes from the lessons I taught you in module 2, if you remember the shapes, do you remember the shapes? Not module 2, module 1. Do you remember the shapes in module 1? Day 2, the shapes. Remember? So come to shape 7. If you don't understand what I mean, if you're still a visitor in this channel, or if you're still a guest in this channel, you can. There are some lessons that I did before. Go to day 2, shapes. You will understand what I'm saying. So shape 2, okay? Shape 2. Day 2, shape 7. You remember shape 7, so this is the progression. Shape 7. And then shape 1. This progression, shape 1. This progression is attached to shape 1. This progression is attached to shape 1. You remember? You remember? You remember because this is the key of E. When it's like this is the key of E, but when it's like this is the E major chord, okay? So this shape is attached to shape 1. That is why I'm telling you shape 7, shape 1. Alright? And then your pinky finger plays. Don't worry, I'm going to show you. Then your pinky finger, I'm just explaining it first so that you can understand. The pinky finger plays fret number 4, string number 2, alright? And then back to shape 7. Pinky finger plays shape number 4. You start again, shape 7. So this is our progression. Without the pinky finger. Are we together? Now add the pinky finger. Have you understood? So this is what I'm doing. I want you to come to shape 7 and play the E power chord. Come to shape 7 and play the E power chord. Alright? Come to shape 7, not at shape 7. Shape 7 and play just play the E. Just play the key of E. Shape 7. Play shape 7. Alright? So shape 7. I want you to play string 4, 3, and 2. 4, 3, and 2. Once. Alright? Repeat it again. You have that one. So, I want you to do it. I want you to play it twice. Shape 7, play it twice. And then jump to shape 1, fret number 2. Alright? And then play your pinky finger on the second string. basically what I'm doing here is I'm just using a technique called the hammer on and a pull off. So play shape 7, 1, 2, and then fret number 4, pinky finger, second string, fret number 4, pinky finger, second string, pluck, and then hammer, and then release, and then play string number 2 again. So play, hammer, hammer string number 2, okay? When the note is still ringing, you release with what you call a pull off by force. Una release it to bring that sound, okay? And then when after you have released, you play again string number 2, so that it sounds like. Have you understood? So shape 7 twice. All right. I want you to go to shape to shape 7 again, but fret number 4. Shape 7 again, fret number 4, and then repeat the same process twice. Go to shape 1, fret number 2, and then play your pinky finger. All right. All right. So let me repeat. Go back to shape number 7, fret number 4, play the same process twice, and then go to fret number 2, shape 1, go to fret number 2, shape 1, and then your pinky finger plays the second string, all right. So in full you have, watch. I hope we are together. So summary, this is the summary. When you are playing fret number 4, your pinky finger plays on the fret number 4, your pinky finger plays string number 2. Fret number 4, your pinky finger plays string number 2. Fret number 2, the number of picks that you pick in shape 7 is 2. So pick number 1, 1, and then 2. And then you go to fret number 2, and you just pick. When ukiingia fret number 2, una pick string number 2 with your pinky finger. Whenever you enter fret number 2, you pick string number 2 on the 4th fret with your pinky finger, okay? And then when you go back to shape 7, fret number 4, you play it like that twice, and then skip again, go to shape 1, fret number 2, and then play your pinky finger on fret number 4, string number 2. Okay, and then like that. Just like that, guys. Very easy. Okay, so good luck. Let me now move to the second step.